Today you have to discuss the significant figure. Significant figure and rounding off and arithmetical operations with significant figure. This is the most important part uh, before discussing the error, and you must be knowing about what is the significant figure. What is the meaning of significant figure? Actually, whenever different observers they are measuring a quantity. Suppose the length of a rod. If the length of the rod is measured by different observer, one is measuring suppose 334.68 meter. Another observer is measuring 34.67 meter. Another also 34.63 meter. So that just you look on these observations. So what you are finding, if the first observer is measuring 34.68 meter, second one is measuring 34.67 meter, and third one is 34.63 meter, because the measurement will be varied from different to different observer. So here what happened, now you must be observing the last digit. The last digit is getting changed. One is having the 8, another will be the 7, and another is the 3. It may be equal also. By the fourth observer, it may be 34.68. So uncertainty on a particular digit that you can observe during the measurement. Which number is the uncertain one? Which digit is the uncertain one? The last one digit. But here you will get the certain digits. During the measurement, it will be 34.6, 34.6, 34.6. These digits are having the surety in the measurement. So, and the last digit may be varied, may be changed, and these last digits are called the uncertain digits. So, what are the significant figures during this measurement? So, during this measurement, in this measurement, you will be finding all the digits 3, 4, 6, 8. All the digits are having the importance in measurement. So, these all digits are known as the significant figure. So, we can talk about the significant figure. The significant figures in a measurement are those digits which are reliably known, reliably, easily you can get it, and plus one additional digit that is uncertain, plus one last digit that is uncertain, including the reliable digits plus uncertain digit, and all these digits are called the significant figures. Significant figures. So we are having some rules to remember how to calculate the number of significant figure, whatever the digit you are getting in the measurement. Number one, suppose if you are finding 42.3 and 244.6, in this case what you are finding, if no zeros are there, if no zeros are, these are the two different measurements, no zeros, if you are not finding no zeros, so all the digits, all non-zero digits are to be considered significant. Means here you can get the number of significant figure is 3, and here you get the number of significant is 4. If you come to the another cases, zeros, if you just introduce the zeros, what happens to these cases? If you introduce the zeros, that is 5.03 and 5.604. If the zeros are coming in between the two non-zero digits, then these zeros are considered the significant. Means here you get the number of significant figure is 3, and here you get the number of significant is 4. So another cases, if the zeros are coming right of the decimal point, if the zeros are coming right of the decimal point, because decimal point is there 161.0 and 243.00, so here you are getting 1 zeros after the decimal point, here you are getting the 2 zeros after the decimal point. So all these zeros are to be considered the significant. Means here you get the number of significant figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, and here you get the number of significant figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These zeros are considered. Here you are getting the number of significant figure is 5. Another cases, if the zeros are coming left of the number or left of the decimal point, all these zeros, whatever the zeros you are finding left of the non-zero digits, and these zeros are non-significant, not significant. So here you can get the number of significant figure is 2, and here you get the number of significant figure is 1. Another cases, suppose if you are finding during the measurement you are finding 64,000 So 64,000, only the 64,000, the zeros whatever you are finding right of the non-zero digits, these are not significant. So here in this case, these zeros are not significant, means the number of significant figure is 2. So what happens in this case? 64,000 centimeter. If zeros are coming and the units are attached to that number, in that cases these zeros are significant. That means 64,000 centimeter. If we talk about the centimeter, meter, millimeter, these zeros are to be considered the significant figure. Means here you get the number of significant figure is 5. Students, just to remember, whenever the unit will be added to the figure, then these zeros, right zeros, are to be considered or to be considered as significant figure. Another cases, and you know that that you can tell the number of significant figure will not be changed by changing the units. If the unit will be changed, then the number of significant figure will not be changed. For example, 150 centimeter, 150 centimeter, the number of significant figure according to this formula, that is 3, the number of significant figure is 3. In this case, you are getting the number of significant figure is 3. If that will be written in that manner, 1.50 into 10 to the power 3 millimeter. So that unit is changed meter to millimeter. So in that cases also the number of significant figure will be 3. Number of significant figure will be 3. And if it will be expressed as a 1.50 meter, so in this case also number of significant figure will be 3. If it will be 1.50 into 10 to the power 2 centimeter, also we can get the number of significant figure 3. In all the cases, we will be finding the number of significant figure same. That means if the unit will be changed, the number of significant figure of the measurement will not be changed. It will be the same one. An important thing is that I would like to tell you that you must be knowing about the, you have to write the measuring value, measuring figure into the scientific notation. And during the scientific notation, what happens here? You are finding the 10 to the power. 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 4, like that also. If you write any measurement or if you write any measuring quantity in form of the scientific notation, and you can calculate, you can find, you can observe immediately the exact number of significant figures of that measurement. So students, this is the part of the significant figure, and we will be discuss more about that significant figure, how it is used in arithmetic operations. Before that, I would like to tell about the rounding up. What is the rounding of the digit? Rounding off. What is the rounding off? So the numbers which will be rounded up, how it can be rounded up on the basis of significant figure. Suppose rounding up means, suppose for example I am talking about that 18.35, already I have written here 18.45. Suppose if you talk about the 18.35 or 18.45, we round this figure up to the 3 significant figure, up to the 3 significant figure. 3 significant figure means you have to look to the 1 digit 1, 8 and 3. And if the 5 is there, if 5 is before the 5, just is observe the number, the digit previous to that of the 5, if it is odd, this figure will be rounded off to 184. What I did it here? 18.4. That means the digit will be increased by 1 if it is odd. If it is 18.45, if it is even, so the digit will be the 18.4. If it is even, because 4 is the even one. So after 4 that you are finding 5. If you want to round up the number, this is the even, so that's why it will, what will happen, that figure will be rounded up to 18.4. that is up to 3 significant figure, that is up to 3 significant figure. If you think about that 18.36, and if it will be the 18.48, if it is like that, what will happen? If you want to, because your target is to round it off up to the three significant figures. So after 3 you are finding 6, which is more than 5. So immediately, no doubt, it will be rounded up to 18.4, and in this case it will be rounded up to 18.5. If the 5 will be coming, then you have to apply the odd even cases. Before the 5, if it is the odd, 1 will be increased, plus 1, and before the 5 you find the even, that is will be the same, but no increase in the increment in plus 1. So in that rounding cases, we can take the another example, that is 248,337. Suppose the figure is here, and the question is that round of the figure up to the 3 significant figure, up to 3 significant figure. Whenever the matter is coming up to the 3 significant figure, you must be considering 1, 2, 3, and this part, what you have to do it? That part simply it will be rounded off 248,000. 248,000, because that is 248,000 is having the 3 significant figure. If another case, if we are thinking for 101.55 into 10 to the power 6 rounded up to 4 significant figure. If the question is coming 4 significant figure, there will be no changing here, and this will be, you have to come to this figure 1, 2, 3, 4, and immediately you are finding that is 5 is here. 5 should be rounded off. 5 should be rounded up whenever you touch the 5 figure, and you have to look back, actually that is even or odd. So it is here odd, so automatically 1 will be increased. So 101.6 into 10 to the power 6. This is the, because everywhere we are just maintaining the number of significant figure. In this way we can calculate the arithmetic, you can do the arithmetic operations with the significant figure. What happens here? Just you look on it here now. What I am telling, suppose arithmetic operations with significant figure. How that arithmetic operations with significant figure? Arithmetic operation with significant figure. Arithmetic operation with significant figure means, first cases we are finding plus or minus, add plus or minus, these cases, add or subtract. In this case, what you have to do it? Suppose, for example, I am doing it now, 2.63, 4.00, that is equal to, you can tell it as the 0.02. If you add these figures, what happens? 3 plus 2 equal to 5, and this is the 6.4 plus 2 equal to 6. You are finding 6.65. You are just finding the 6.65. The question is that what will be the result on the basis of the significant figure? In case of addition and subtraction, what happens? In case of addition and subtraction, the result whatever is obtained, that will be rounded off. And will attain the minimum number of digits after the decimal point. Minimum number of digits up to the decimal point. That means to tell what happens here. After the decimal point, you are finding 2.63. That is minimum number of digits after the decimal point. In these cases are same. The result is same. So there will be no variation. The result will be 6 point. The result is 6.6 byte. Result is 6.65. In same manner also, if you talk about, suppose if you add it here more, if this question can be modified here, suppose it is 3 and it is 4.0 and that is 0.02. So what will be the answer in these cases? The 3 and 3 plus 2 is 5, that is 6, and this is 6.65. 653. In this case, what will happen? That we have to look on the minimum number of digits after the decimal point. So minimum number of digits after the decimal point here in this case is 1 only. After decimal point is 1, it is after decimal point is 3, it is after decimal point is 2. So you have to find, we have to round it off. We have to round it up the result, and we'll keep it this value into the 1 digit after the decimal point. So if you round off it here now, so it will be rounding of it is the answer is 6 point, because the 5 before that is even, so answer is 6.6. So result, this is the result is 6.6. So what happened here in this case of plus or minus? If the different numbers are added or subtracted, the result which will be obtained, that will attain the minimum number of digits after the decimal point of the individual numbers, of the individual quantities. If you just consider here the 3 decimal points, after the 3 digits are after the decimal point, here it is 1, here it is 2, the result should be rounded off, and to attain the minimum number of digits after the decimal point, that is the 1, so that is you have to use the 1, that is 6.6. So in case of multiplication, what happens? In case of multiplication, the result will attain the, in case of multiplication and division, in case of multiplication and division, in case of multiplication and division, what will happen? The result which will be obtained, that will attain the minimum number of significant figure of the individual quantities, individual numbers. For example, if you talk about the 2.5 multiplied with 3, so it will be equal to 7.5. No doubt it is 7.5. The answer is, so here the quantity used is the number of significant figure is 2, and here the number of significant figure is 1. The result which will be rounded off to the minimum number of significant figure, that is 1. So 7.5, it will be rounded off. If it will be rounded off, because 7 and before that the odd number is there, so it will be rounded off to 8. That will be rounded up to 8. This is the answer, result. This is the result. If you talk about the different numbers also, that is in case of the multiplication and division, I think you must be understanding what I told. If you talk about the 100 upon, that is 3, if you divide the 3 or 4, you just do it. 100 upon 4, if 100 is divided by 4, we are getting 25. So here the minimum number of significant figure used is 1, and here the minimum number of significant figure is 1. So the result will attain the minimum number of significant figure used in the different quantities. So that means here the 100, 1 and the result will be rounded up to 1. So if it will be rounded up to 1 means 25, 5 before it is even, and the result will be equal to 2. The result will be equal to 2. In this manner, you can calculate the different algebraic operations with the significant figure. Different operations with the significant figure. If you talk about that is 1.2, 1.0 is multiplied with 1.0 is multiplied with 2. What will be the number of significant? What will be the, in the multiplication you are finding 2.0. This is the result. But what will be the result? Because here in this case you are finding the number of significant figure is 2. Here the number of significant figure is 1. The result will attain the minimum number of significant figure, that is equal to 2. You have to write the answer 2. You do not write 2.0 like that. So be careful for that. What I told you, that in case of the addition and subtraction, the result will attain the minimum number of digits after the decimal point. And in case of the multiplication and division, you must be thinking for the result should attain the minimum number of significant figure used in that calculation. Thank you.